Castella is a famous Japanese dessert, essentially like a sponge cake. Castella is a kind of bogashi, meaning a traditional Japanese confectionery. Let's bake some Castella Cupcake version. Here is the list of ingredients. Let's start with our 4 eggs, and we will place it under a pot of barely simmering water. We call this bain-marie, or commonly known as double boiler or water bath. Make sure that there's little steam coming from the pot and that the bowl does not touch the water. We're doing this not to cook the egg but to simply melt the sugar. You may touch the mixture with your fingertips to check if the sugar is properly dissolved. If it is, you're ready for the next step. Using your electric mixer, whisk the egg and sugar mixture for about 6 minutes. 3 minutes on high and another 3 minutes on medium to low. Once the mixture becomes pale yellow in color, add in your vanilla extract and mix for a few more seconds. Now add in your sifted cake flour and baking powder. With your spatula, mix using a folding method. This is the part where I deviated from my original recipe. I lessened the amount of the butter and replaced it with some heavy cream. So far, feedback from my family members turned out great, and I think it was nice to have a little hint of the cream. Next, add a little of the flour and egg mixture to your butter and milk mixture. When properly mixed, add it into your big bowl. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag. Fill in your cupcake mold with liners. Start piping the batter into the cupcake liners to about nearly full. Now we're ready to bake our Castella cupcakes in a preheated oven 170 degrees for 20 minutes. And here is our freshly baked Castella cupcakes. These fluffy cupcakes are really delicious and super easy to make. Try baking these at home. Your family will surely love and enjoy some fluffy Castella cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!